Are you ready for this lab safety video? We're going to be covering lab safety for real when we go into the lab on Monday. But just so I could go ahead and knock out an easy lab um, and do it with a quiz and whatnot for the first week, so I feel like we've accomplished stuff, I figured I'd go ahead and do this. So the main things about our lab is you will see an eye wash station and a shower. Please don't play with them. I will display them. I will show you how it works on Monday. That's in case we need them for something. There is a first aid kit mounted on the wall right by the front door, or the one door to go in and out. Last I checked, everything was up to date, and I just checked the last term, so it should still be good. The main things are you are not supposed to wear open-toed shoes. You're supposed to be aware of that kind of thing, but our term is January through March. It's probably going to be cold, so I highly doubt anyone's wearing open-toed shoes. You are not supposed to play with things that I don't tell you to, and you're supposed to only play with things the way I tell you to. And the reason I worded that way is I love labs, and for me, a lot of it is playing. But I will give you very specific instructions. You will see a lot of stuff in the lab. You are welcome to do different things with different stuff in the lab as long as you check with me first. So say that we're covering, I don't know, blood slides, but you notice there is a model for a heart, and we're not covering a heart right now, but you would really like to look at it. Just ask. I'll say, yeah, sure, go for it. We do have some chemicals. We use almost none of them, so just don't open. That would be nice. If for some reason we're doing something using chemicals, you never go straight out of it. Don't do that. You hold it and go like that. You waft it so you can sniff it. That's a safety thing. I highly recommend you wash your hands every time you leave the lab because you don't know what's been on everything. And so the way I see it is if you're not willing to lick the table, then you should wash your hands when you're done. Safety thing for our particular lab is almost all the faucets have these spouts on them that make it come out faster. I have removed the spout for one sink, which is where I highly recommend for washing your hands. But the big issue there is that sink also leaks. So just be careful. We do have some things that might be sharp. Be careful. If you drop glassware and it breaks, you're supposed to let me know so I can clean it up. If you notice that you have a piece of glassware and it has a chip, that means it's broken. That goes in the broken glass container. We have two. We have a teeny, and then we've got this weird cardboard one. Both of them are up on the counter. Yeah, basically just respect the stuff. Don't break things. Don't lick things. Don't drink things. And never eat in the lab, ever, ever, ever. And yeah, I think that's mostly it. So just do as you're told. Be careful. Broken glass goes in the broken glass container. And if something's broken, talk to me. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So peace.